Being a stay-at-home mum is an incredible privilege, but it can feel lonely at times, whether it's missing out on adult conversations or just craving something to break up your routine. If you're feeling lonely, you're not alone. Stick around and I'll share some ways to stay connected, busy, and positive. Hi, and welcome to cozychats.com, your space for practical parenting tips and support. Today, we're diving into how to combat loneliness as a stay at home mum. It's such a special chapter, but let's make sure you're fulfilling your days with connection and joy too. Libraries often host baby and toddler groups, and there are usually free or low cost events nearby. These are great opportunities to meet other mums and give your little one a chance to socialize too. Even if you can't meet up in person, a quick FaceTime or even a text thread can go a long way in making you feel connected with friends or family. It's not about the quantity of the time, but the quality of the time in your connections made. Why not use this time to try something new? Whether it's a skill that you can use to start up a business or something that boosts your career when you're ready to return to work. Even if it's just a hobby for fun, this is a great way to stay motivated and focused. Self-care is necessary. Try setting aside some time to read one book a month or schedule a self-care day. Maybe it's a bubble bath, a walk alone, or simply sitting down with your favorite tea and a podcast, which is a vibe. Consistency is key. Even if it's once a week or once a month, stick to it. While you take this time, let your baby bond with dad, a grandparent, or a close friend. It will be good for you both. Lastly, be kind to yourself. Remember, you're doing an amazing job. It's okay to have those tough days, but finding small moments of connection, creativity, or care for yourself can make all the difference. To recap, connect with local groups, stay in touch with friends, learn something new, prioritize self-care, and remember that parenting is a journey, but we don't have to feel alone along the way. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, follow us for more parenting tips, and remember, your well-being matters just as much as your little ones.